This mother thought she could hide her relapse from the court. She was wrong.
Us to make an example out of her.
No.
That's what she wants.
No.
Yes, you do.
I'm
Yes,
trying
you do.
to go back to school.
It doesn't. I mean, that has nothing to do with this.
I got 3 babies. I'm not trying to get in no more trouble, and I guarantee you.
Well, you weren't thinking about them when you decided to go drink and violate the court order. Who were you thinking about then? Or do you have that problem that you just that you can't stop drinking?
No, I've lost a lot of people. I've been going through a lot. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You have a problem? Let's get drug treatment. Let's get drug treatment court in here, please. I'm sorry for your loss, but this is something you have to be able to manage it without using drugs or alcohol. And if you can't manage it, then you need to step up and say that, and we can get you some help. I'm going to get somebody in here now that you can speak with. All right.
Okay.
All right, let's get drug treatment court in. Let's pass the matter, and then let's get Ms. O'Neill
The judge saw through her excuses and knew exactly what was happening.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Ms. Loving. For the purpose of this hearing, Your Honor, I would waive her appearance and like to set this for a bench trial.
I'll set it for a trial, and you indicated off the record that you have had contact with Ms. Loving.
I have, Your Honor.
Ms. Loving needs to do a better job of informing you or the court what's going on with her, right? So
Understood.
I'll give her a break this time. Come back on, is that December 9th, that trial date, all right?
Got it, Your Honor. Thank you. Take care.
Best of luck.
Yep.
All right, so let's go back on the record with Mr. Matthew Love. Mr. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is a complete dismissal, Ms.
Yes, Your Honor, it is for compliance reasons.
All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Love, I'm going to dismiss the cases with providing valid documentation. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, and happy holidays.
You as well, thank you. This is the City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Brian Keith Levesky. Case number SP1098192, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance with record, please.
Chair Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Brian Levesky.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Levesky, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Like you already have chance to do right to it. Or join the room, you let us know what you want to do.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Counselor Lacey, are you ready on your client?
Your Honor, I am ready, and my client is seated to my right. I've worked out a deal with the city attorney, and my client will be pleading to leaving the scene of a property damage accident, and the rest of the charges would be dismissed pursuant to plea agreement.
Who's your client again?
He is Aaron de Jesus Leon.
Very
well. Good morning to you, Mr. Leon.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Aaron de Jesus Leon. Case numbers SP177-87451, SP177-9302, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP177-93971, and Z8098541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Michael J. Lacy on behalf of the defendant, Aaron de Jesus Leon.
And, Your Honor, I think we may have to revisit our negotiations on this. I didn't realize that the Z ticket, it is on there, so there is a corresponding OWI on this, Mr. Lacy, as we discussed in the breakout room. It's not on the docket sheet, however, I don't think.
Set for payment on 12/5/2025, 1:30. Will you be representing Mr. Leon on this case?
Yes. Is there any way we could do this all today?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's go back in the breakout room and pass this matter, Your Honor, if you will.
I'll pass it before we rearrange your client. I don't know if you're gonna work a deal out today or not. But
Okay,
we'll pass it.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Breakout room 4 again?
Breakout room 4 again.
Yes, thank you so much. I'll talk to you in a second.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
A lifeline was offered, but the road to recovery is never simple.
Where is Miss O'Neill? Did she come out?
She did not come out. She didn't know how to come out. So she's still in the breakout room, probably.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss O'Neill. Miss O'Neill, I heard you had a good conversation with
Attorney
Ms.
Taylor.
Ward. Is that correct?
Yeah.
All right, I understand that you want to at least let Attorney Taylor, you had a good conversation with Mr. Attorney Taylor as well?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Do you understand where the court is coming from now?
Yeah, I do.
You know, it's really imperative that I try to do the best I can to make sure that you're safe, the public is safe, that you're not out there drinking and driving again, or not again, because this is an allegation. I'm not going to suggest that you're guilty of this, but there's some rules to the game, and that's part of the game. You gotta follow the rules. So I'm gonna up your testing to twice a week.
Okay.
Up your testing to twice a week. Now, if we run down this road again, as far as these allegations are concerned, Mr. Taylor, Ms. O'Neill will have an opportunity. I don't know what she wants to do as far as
The judge's final words on the seriousness of the allegations and the rules of the
I
game.
trust you. Yes, sir. I just want to make sure that you do not want. Do you want to talk to somebody from our drug court?
Oh, I got mentors and stuff like that in my work. So
Now, how long have you had this addiction?
for some years, I was
And you've been in treatment before?
about 2 times before.
So what makes this time
Different.
different?
Well, for one thing, I got more years. Seeing her dad change. Before that, it was, those mom.
It was all about you.
Right. Well, yeah. Well, my mother always said, when you're in addiction, it's a selfish thing.
Absolutely.
So, I understand now it's not just me. When you do things, you commit crime, you're members in society, you're not just affecting yourself. I'm not just affecting, I'm affecting, my community, my family. And so
This case proves that sometimes the court is the last chance for a fresh start. Hit like and subscribe to follow more cases like this.